All right, Merle, I just want to tell you thank you very much for your time this evening. I've got a couple of quotes actually that I want to show you so that you could have an understanding of basically the coverage that we could get for you. The first one that we're going to take a look at is your permanent life insurance. So we put together for you a quote here. This is your IUL, and your face amount on this policy is going to be for $100,000. Your monthly payment is going to be $54 monthly. Okay, so that's for the rest of your life. Okay, you'll be able to pay on that. Now, there is a strategy that you could actually max fund this permanent IUL policy. Okay, if you wanted to max fund it, you could contribute all the way up to $315.21. And the whole purpose for max funding your IUL policy is to actually have a retirement plan for you, or money that's going to be growing for you anytime that you need it. It's going to be growing for you tax free, and you could have access to that money so long as the money is in there. Okay, so let me show you what it looks like if you are max funding. And right here, this is going to be if the market is performing at a 6.92%. So if you are max funding this at $315.21 monthly, that's a total of $3,783 a year. At the end of 10 years, you would be 44 years old. You have put into your IUL $37,825, and you would have in your savings $43,040. Now, take a look at this. Your death benefit has actually grown to $144,498. Now, this was the strategy that I did, okay? I put here that you're actually going to contribute this 315.21 all the way until the age of 60. So right here you can see that's where we stopped it, right? You only put in 98,346, but at the age of 60 you already have in your savings $226,890, and your death benefit has grown to $326,890. What I also did with this strategy was I told it that we wanted to start taking an income at the age of 66. So here, from your IUL, you could actually get a tax-free income of $27,907. We could turn that on at 26. That's dripping all the way till you're 90 years old. So, in short, you've only contributed $98,346 into your IUL, permanent life insurance, and you have taken out tax-free $697,683. What's more amazing that if you're still alive at the age of 90, you still have 10,000 362 in savings, and your family gets a death benefit of 110,362. Okay, now just to recap, this is showing you that same IUL policy. If you wanted to max fund it monthly, it's $315.21. This same IUL policy is $54 a month. Okay, $54 a month. Now I want to show you what your term coverage is going to be. Let me put this on full screen here. So I know that you are in Ohio, and Merle, you are 34 years old. Since that's a $100,000 policy, you needed about a coverage of 575,000. So we'll put here, okay, $475,000. All right, and we'll look at a monthly payment for you. Okay, so on this term policy, what you're looking at for a 20-year term of $475,000 worth of coverage, you're looking at $35.08. Now that's if you get a standard non-tobacco rating. Okay, that's what we're going to apply for. But if you are a lot healthier than standard non-tobacco, your monthly payment could be cheaper. Okay, so let me just show you here. At a 35-year term policy, it's going to be $67.83. So we can get you covered. Okay, $67.83. And that's going to be for your term policy. And then your permanent policy, the $100,000 worth of coverage for $54. So if we calculate that, let's take a look here. My calculator, $54 plus the 67.83. All right, Merle, we're looking for your coverage, $121.83. That will give you a coverage amount of $575,000. I want to tell you thank you so much for your time today. I have put the client application, if you wanted to move forward with any one of these policies. And if you got any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me or my wife, Jane. Thank you, and God bless.
Living benefits life insurance policies are very important to me. Unlike traditional life insurance products, with the quality of life insurance products, you do not have to die to use it.
I met Emily in 2010 when I was working in a nursing home. All I'm familiar with is the traditional life insurance in which my family be able to collect money after you die. But with this product, you don't have to die in order to use it.
She was very interested in learning more with the 3 living benefits, which are terminal illness riders, chronic illness riders, and critical illness riders. And then she was able to purchase a 35-year term, $1 million death benefit.
And during the time, my daughter was only 3 years old, and I was also in the prime of my health and my life. I was diagnosed with stage 3 breast cancer. I was very terrified and devastated, and all I can think about is I just want to live for my daughter, who was 8 years old during the time. I was young and healthy, and I'm a nurse. I never thought that these things are gonna happen to me. I used to take care of my patient and never dreamed that I'll be a patient myself. I called Emily after my diagnosis.
I was really so sad, and I can't believe it because 5 years ago, she was really very healthy. And I was so saddened because I think about her and her daughter.
And she walked me through the process, and in less than 30 days, I was able to receive a check with an amount of $413,000. That money helps us with the financial burden that my illness brought us. I don't have to worry about next payment for my bills in case I cannot work. I don't have to worry about my daughter's future and my retirement. It just gave me the opportunity to just focus on healing myself so I can be there for my daughter. She means a lot to me and she's my world. I'll do everything for her. That's why I made sure that I have this quality of life policy insurance. Even though I'm sick, I was able to spend time doing things that we both love. I strongly recommend this product because I'm a living proof of the living benefits that the quality of life insurance policy gave us.